If you are a developer using AI, then you might know the pain of token limit. You end up paying for ChatGPT, Cursor or Claude Pro and still get hit with their monthly API token limit. What if I told you that you can get unlimited AI coding directly inside VS Code? With access over 200 plus AI model and 90 plus them are completely free without giving out your credit card detail. So it's the one and only ultimate free AI coding setup that you will need. I'm talking about OmniRoute. It is 100% free with MIT open source AI Gateway and is currently trending number 2 in GitHub with 36,000 stars. Instead of paying OpenAI and Anthropic, OmniRoute sits locally on computer. It pull over 90 plus free tier AI provider and claim to give 1.6 billion free token every single month. When one provider gets slow or about to hit the limit, it auto switches to next one without interrupting your workflows. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up OmniRoute for coding. So first of all, Node.js should be installed on your machine. If you don't have Node.js installed, then you can install it by searching on Google. Then verify the installation by node-version command. And once Node.js is installed, we can go back to OmniRoute GitHub repo and we can copy paste this command to install OmniRoute. While installing, it can show a lot of warning and we can ignore them. Now OmniRoute is successfully installed. So let's go back to GitHub repo and let's copy this and paste it on our terminal. Now it will start OmniRoute server on our local host. Our OmniRoute server is running and it is asking for onboarding. So let's onboard and let's skip this step entirely. Now in home provider topology, we see no provider as we have not connected any provider. Now let's go to provider section and here you can find 290 plus provider and you will get a total of 1.6 billion token per month. And here in free tier, you can see there are 126 providers which are providing you free API key. In no auth category, there are 9 providers and this provider will instantly give you API key without even registering or creating an free account. So let's select OpenCode and I click on add account and it instantly created the account. So here first we import model. Once model is imported, we click on auto sync button. And now this model is ready to use. So in API key, click on create your first key and you can give any name you want. So I'm just gonna name it OpenCode free first and create API key. Now copy the API key and in our home, in provider topology, we can see OpenCode free is connected to our OmniRoute. Now in provider no auth, you can also enable multiple provider which are giving you API key. So you can very easily create account, create API key and use them in VS Code. Now we are inside Visual Studio Code and in extension we install client. It is an coding agent which allow OmniRouter to connect our VS Code and to connect all the free provider API key. And in the left side bottom, you can see the client icon, it has been installed. Let me quickly open one project. So it's an empty Flutter project. And let us open Climb. Now I had already set up, so that's why I am ready to go. But if you are setting for first time, then it will ask for API configuration. So in API configuration, there is API provider, and in API provider, just type OpenAI and select OpenAI compatible. And it is asking for base URL. So you can get your base URL from your command prompt. So in command prompt, you have to type OmniRoute to start server and copy the base URL. So the base URL is always this localhost 2128/p1. Then it will ask for API key, and you should copy paste API key from OmniRoute. Now in model, in OpenCode free provider, there are various model, and I have selected this DeepSeek model. So you can select this as well, and this as well. But I think DeepSeek is overall a good model, so that's why I have selected DeepSeek before Flash model. Now click next or click done and you are ready to go. So let us quickly check if it works or not. So yeah, our agent is working perfectly. So at the top, there is a context window, and this is 128,000 context window. And it is a maximum amount of information model can see during tasks. For each new task, this value almost nearly reset to 0. Okay, now I have ready-made prompt. So this is our prompt to build one crypto dashboard application which show the live price of cryptocurrency. So let's copy paste it and give it to our model. Now let's see what it built. So now I'm going to fast forward the video. Our application is built. Now let's see it. So not bad. This is our application. And honestly, it is good. There is pixel overflow error at 2 places, and beside that, everything's fine. So let's give it one more prompt to fix the pixel overflow error on profile balance and in market insight. So after this prompt, I am sure it will fix those errors and our application will be complete. So it is done with fixing error, and error is gone. So our demo application is also complete. So that's it for this video.